Did somebody say plant sale? OMG. This is my happy place. Aren't those begonias beautiful?
Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Just smell it. Just smell it. Does it smell good? Does it smell good? No, don't eat it. Don't eat it. Smell good? No.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Miss Beth's place today. It's Saturday. I have been so busy today. Oh my goodness. I have run up and down the road back to that plant. It's a botanical, the Sampson Botanical garden sale that they have twice a year. And first time I went, I loaded up my little this thing. I'll post a picture of it. But loaded that up with flowers. But I'm gonna show y'all what flowers I got. And then I've also done a couple of pots, and then I have some vegetable plants too. So I'll show y'all. This pot right here is an old wash pot I had. It was sitting over there against the wall. It's the house, and it was just full of weeds, and I put some new potting soil in it, put some new plants. Zinnias, echinacea, and I believe that's some type of potato vine that they had. I thought it was pretty. So I got that. And then, let me show you what else I got. Aren't these pretty? Begonias. Beautiful. Beautiful. I think I paid $15 for these pots. They might have been 20, but they are huge. Huge. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. They're big. Take my word. Here's plant number 2. Now it's starting to get a little dark, so I'm trying to get this in because me and my husband went out to eat, and I wanted to get back in so I could film this for y'all. Here's another pot. I have 2 of these. I got 2 of each one of these that I'm gonna show y'all. So there's they calling it Vinca. The second one. And they are full. This is the 6th pot. This is, oh my gosh. I think this is also Vinca. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. I have 2 of them. There's the second one. Gorgeous. All right, before I lose the rest of my daylight, I'm out here by my shop. Yeah, that little golf cart was loaded down with flowers yesterday. I got some bell peppers, some rosemary, which I think I'm going to put in a pot and put it in the house in my kitchen window with my other herbs. And then I have a few. These are 6 tomato plants. I got 6 tomato plants for $5. Or 6 tomato plants for $6.50. I'm sorry. And then these were $6.50. I got 6 of those. These are jalapenos and bell peppers, 6 of each for $6.50. And then the rosemary. So I'm going to pot up. I think I'm going to try to put about 3 jalapenos in each, or three jalapenos and 3 bell peppers in each pot. I got me some nice new potting soil here. I'm also going to add a little bit to my raised bed here. That's it has sunk a lot. Hope y'all can see this, but anyways, let me get going on that, and I'll come back and show y'all what I got. I know I'm out here at night trying to get these plants potted up, but it's so much cooler out here. Remember, I'm in South Alabama, so that's bell pepper. Oh, excuse me, that's jalapenos. And then those are tomatoes, which I have to add some more soil. And those are bell peppers. And there is a cute little lizard peeping around the corner. Hello, lizard. Hello. He just squeaked at me. He's a talking lizard. All right, I got half of them planted up. I'm going to go do something with the rest of them, and then I'm going to call it a night, and I'm going to make this video for y'all. What the heck? Something's moving over there now. I don't know, but that bed right over there, there's a snake in that. It's a little one, but it's a snake. It's in there. I seen it the other day. So I don't be touching that bed. That's a raised bed. It's got Aztec grass, monkey grass. It has some irises, some echinacea, and did have some roses, some miniature roses. I took them out, but there's a snake in that bed. This girl ain't touching that bed. Okay, I think I've got all I'm gonna do done for tonight. I'm gonna take this rosemary bush in, big giant rosemary bush in, and put it in my window in there in my kitchen. But what I'm gonna do is, when it gets a little bit bigger, I'm gonna bring it outside and I'm gonna put it out here, probably by my pool, because it smells so good. There's a restaurant that we just went and ate at. They have these planted out in front of their restaurant, and they are huge hedges. But to tell if it's rosemary, you just pinch it and you smell it. It's good for putting on chicken and I don't know, other types of meats. But I like to cook with it every now and then, but I just like to have it around just because it smells good. So, well, all right. That's gonna be it for tonight. How many of y'all get out in y'all's garden at night and do things? I mean, here in South Alabama, it gets so hot during the day sometimes, and it's just springtime. It ain't even summertime yet. But yeah, I enjoy gardening at night. I've got lights all over my yard, all everywhere. I've got lights around my pool. Got lights down my driveway, on my back porch. This place is always lit up. See? Lights everywhere. So, anyways, thank y'all for coming by and watching this video. And if you have any comments, please do so. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That way it will let you know when I make a new video, and it doesn't cost anything. I had someone the other day ask me, well, does it cost to subscribe? No, just hit the little subscribe button. That's just lets you know, notifies you when I have new videos. Y'all have a blessed night, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye-bye. Melody? What are they doing?
How you doing?